Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing Pika Wednesday. At my house, we call it Peeka-Boo Wednesday because her name is Boo. She's not a Pika, she's my Boo. And the challenge was pumpkin patch. So I laid out these little pumpkins, and I want to show you what she's going to wear to the pumpkin patch. I made this little outfit for her, and if it's hot out, we have just the little onesie. It's crocheted, and if it's cool out, she's going to wear her little pixie type hat. It ties under her neck, and then this is the back. It needs to be a little bit wider here, pulled down a little bit. I don't know. That needs to be adjusted. I don't write my patterns down. I just kind of have the doll there and go as I might. So that's my Peeka-Boo Wednesday. I want to thank Jessica's Homestead Reborns and Tater Tot Reborns for hosting this each week. And I hope you all will not only join in, but go see everyone else's videos. Would you do me a favor? If you're joining in on Pika Wednesday, I would love, love, love to see your video too. If you would leave that in my comments so I don't miss any of them, I'd sure appreciate it. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.